In today's video, I will demonstrate another interesting phenomena called Coherer Effect. This phenomena was first discovered by a French physicist, Edward Branly. That's why it's called also a Branly effect. And it's a fascinating phenomena related to electrical conductivity. In this picture, we can see three different types of coherers that were used on the beginning of the 19th century. Coherer was a device consists of a tube or a capsule with two electrodes spaced closely together with loose metal shavings between them. Next, for this experiment, to demonstrate this phenomena, we'll need one glass plate, some more aluminum foil to make several balls more. I will use this LED diode to make a simple circuit. Using this aluminum adhesive stripes. I will fix them in both sides of the plate or the glass or jar, whatever you have. Should be some dielectric material, maybe plastic, maybe glass, whatever you want. I choose glass to be transparent, to see in action. I will fix those in a purpose of cathode and anode of our coherer device, and I'll make a simple electric circuit. I'll take one of the wires of the LED diode placed on one side, and if you can see, just to show you, this is a simple circuit. When we prepare electric circuit, as you can see, this is a power supply giving us 3.3 volts. This is a LED diode and two wires in the open electric circuit, and we will try to show that when we place these aluminum foil balls, they will serve as a purpose of the metal shavings on the original coherer device, and they, as usually, did not conduct electricity, but it should. But as you can see, this type of circuit doesn't conduct electricity. Now doesn't. But when it sends electromagnetic field or impulse, it will make a connection, as you can see. Interesting, the Coherer effect continues to conduct electricity, our coherer here, until we doesn't extinguish or cut the circuit. Then to light it up again, you can see this is a ordinary lighter and it's broken one, but still emits electromagnetic pulse from the piezo effect inside this lighter, as you can see. So in principle we created a wireless remote switch with the lighter. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you want more experiments like this and more complex one. Thank you.